It's Hotel Victor 71 Tango Papa Zulu, parked in a cycle lane on a red route. Sat there playing with his phone. What a great place to park. Right on the corner and blocking the dropped curb. That's interesting, could have got nearer the curb, I reckon. Oh, that's an interesting place to park. That's an excellent bit of parking. I mean, you look, could have parked right there. And some more crap parking there for our local champion. Oh, well, there's an interesting bit of parking. Oh, for fuck's sake. He's actually going to park there, is he? Fucking idiot. Brilliant, look at this. So we can park there and there. I prefer to park in the middle of the road. Oh, there's a marvellous bit of parking there. Look at this. Right in the middle of the road. On the box junction, and 1, 2, 3, I think that is, and there's one parked on the footpath there. It's a bright sunny morning in Peckham. I've just started for the day, and here we have our first badly parked white van. First of many though, I'm sure there'll be others as we move on. Wow, wow, look at that for some crap parking. With all these options, he still parks in the middle of the road while he plays with his phone. And there's one parked on the pavement, Echo Tango 66, Papa Foxtrot Lima. Look at this, see, nice big parking space there, but prefers to park in the middle of the road. It's Papa Oscar 73 November Zulu Papa. There's one parked in our cycle lane there, and despite the hazard lights, I'm willing to bet that he's not actually broken down. No, he's sat there playing with his phone. Oh, come on, surely he's not going to fucking stop there. He is, he's going to park in the middle of the road. Bloody hell, why do they do these things? Hey, look who it is. I recognise that vehicle. Oh, well, how's that for a bloody bit of crap parking? Must have drove along the pavement to get there. Laverstar Signing and Visual Solutions. Never heard them. Never heard of them. What a bunch of arseholes. And of course we have some crap parking outside Elim House on the double yellows, forcing traffic into the contraflow cycle lane. Arsehole. There's a glorious parking there by our local champion. There's an interesting bit of parking there. Look at this. On the pavement, in the cycle lane, on a red route, while he sits there having his lunch. What an arse. That's an interesting bit of parking. Nice big parking space there. But this pillock parks in the middle of the road. Parked in the middle of the road. There's a bloody stupid place to park. I mean, look, could have parked right there. And he's still there. Still parked in a bloody stupid place. Oh, he's eating his lunch. Oh, that is awesome. Look at that. There's two of them there. He's even left the door open just to completely block the pavement. That's Bravo Foxtrot 23 Charlie November Echo, parked in a cycle lane on a red light.